3 weeks ago, I never did my own laundry. I never paid my own electricity bill. I never made my own bed. But today, I did my own laundry, paid my own electricity bill, and just did the things which I had never done before. And also, really felt that in between. But nobody was there to see it. And that's the part. Nobody tells you about growing up. It just doesn't happen at home. वो तब होता है when you are alone in a new city and there is no one left to ask. By the end of this video, you will understand why almost every successful person tells you to get out of your comfort zone and get in a new environment, new people, and just figure out your own shit by yourself. And it started with me shoving 10 kgs of luggage into an auto that was clearly built for it. If you are new here, hi, I'm Raghav. I'm currently in 7th semester of my BTech Electronics and Communication Engineer, and I make videos about the stuff that we go through while growing up और जिसके लिए हमको किसी ने भी prepare नहीं किया है. Okay, so just before last week, I shifted to Ahmedabad for my paid internship. First time ever living alone. No family, no backup, no friends, just me and a new city. By the way, मैं ये वीडियो ये दिखाने के लिए नहीं बना रहा कि independence is beautiful. I'm making this video because the first week of my internship, of my living in a new city, was really a kind of mess. और मुझे लगता है कि आप में से बहुत लोग, students, interns, new jobbers, are about to go through this or are really going through this right now only. So let's actually talk about it. Okay, now packing is where the delusion really starts. मैंने अपने आप को बोला था कि यार मैं light और systematically smart packing करूँगा. But I ended up with 2 suitcases, 1 backpack, and 1 or 2 other random bags, which I swear just multiplied overnight. Now, the train journey. जिसने भी पहले कभी शिफ्टिंग करी होगी वो ये जरूर समझ सकता है कि हमें ट्रेन में जाते हुए एक्चुअली में लगता कैसा है. इट्स अ वियर्ड मिक्स ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट एंड लो की पैनिक. लेट्स से यू आर जस्ट स्क्रॉलिंग रील्स प्रिटेंडिंग दैट यू आर रियली काम एंड कूल अबाउट इट, पर मेंटली तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि यार कहीं मैं कुछ भूल तो नहीं गया, या फिर मैं आगे इतनी सारी चीजें खुद से कैसे संभालूंगा. एंड देन यू लैंड. न्यू सिटी, न्यू स्मेल्स, न्यू लैंग्वेज ऑन द साइन बोर्ड्स. And फिर वो first auto ride where you are just staring out of the window and thinking that this is actually happening. Getting into the room on day 1 was its own chaos. आसपास क्या है कुछ अंदाजा नहीं है. नई जगह, नए लोग, नया बेड, अपना सामान संभालना, अपने सामान का ट्रैक रखना, अपनी चीजों की केयर करना, and उसके बाद भी rookie mistakes. But of course, it's weirdly funny experience. Now here's the part जिसके बारे में तुम्हें ये कोई बताता नहीं है, that you are not just shifting in a new city for the new home. You are shifting for the new job as well as your new home at the same time. Different shift timings, new people, new culture, people way more experienced than you. And फिर तुम वापस आते हुए एक खाली रूम में where you are also suddenly responsible for literally everything. क्योंकि घर पे you just finish your work or college and you got home and there is food, there is noise, and there is family handling stuff in the background. And here you finish your full work day and after that you think कि यार अब मुझे क्या क्या करना है. मुझे मेरी लॉन्ड्री करनी है, मुझे डिनर भी टाइम पे करना है, मुझे अपनी चीज़ें भी संभाल के रखनी है, मुझे पैसों का भी ट्रैक रखना है. All of this while trying to look like you are not struggling in front of your colleagues. Okay, so for this week only, I was the guy who was nodding along in meetings while mentally trying to remember if I have locked the door properly, if I have kept my own things where they should be. और ये बहुत स्ट्रेंज काइंड ऑफ अ मल्टीटास्क है जो कि तुम्हें कोई नहीं सिखाता. एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट. और मैं ये स्पेसिफिकली अपने लड़के दोस्तों के लिए कहना चाह रहा हूँ जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, because I feel like this hits different for us. क्योंकि a lot of us grow up in the Indian households where हमारी मम्मी और दीदी बहुत सारी चीजें खुद से ही हैंडल कर लेती हैं जो कि हम नोटिस भी नहीं कर पाते. कुकिंग, लॉन्डरिंग, बजटिंग and what not. It just happened until it doesn't. First time doing my own laundry, and by it turns out there is a difference between washing your clothes and washing your clothes properly. And I learned that the hard way with a pink t-shirt which I did not intend to make pink. First time managing money completely on my own. It's just me budgeting my own month. budgeting my own week, budgeting my own day. And I realized this in the first week only, that how fast money disappears on food, Rapido, and just forget on subscriptions. First time being fully responsible for my own schedule. Time पे उठना, अपने रूम को अच्छे से मेंटेन करना, and remembering to actually eat meals instead of just surviving on chai and deadlines. And then the big one, first time really sitting with loneliness. Not sad, loneliness necessarily. No background noise of your family, of your loved ones. Just you and your own thoughts, which honestly gets a little loud. First time making decisions with zero backup. अब मैं किसी और पे चीजें नहीं डाल सकता, अब मैं किसी और पे कोई बात नहीं थोप सकता या फिर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए तो वो किसी और पे नहीं डाल सकता, क्योंकि I just had to decide it myself, my every own decision, and just live with the outcome. Now, so let's talk about the emotional side of us boys, especially. So, why homesickness doesn't always look like crying in a dramatic way or something. Sometimes it's just missing the noise of home, missing being annoyed by your family, by your siblings, by your loved ones, because at least they meant that they were there. और उसकी flip side भी है, क्योंकि मैं घर से दूर रह रहा हूँ, so my family is expressing their emotions more than they ever actually had. Myself also is just clearly showing my emotions to them, because it's a true feeling. And I know it's weird for most of the boys out there, but trust me guys, just clearly say what you are thinking. Just clearly say to them, clearly share your own feelings, what you're feeling for them. Tell them about your whole day, what you did, what you learned today. Trust me, you will feel very happy. चलो भाई, आज के लिए इस वीडियो में आई गेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया जितना मैं सोच के चल रहा था. So we'll continue in the next video if you guys want. Obviously, if you want me to make a video on some other topic or on some particular topic also, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment box, and we will definitely continue this thoughts and struggle series togetherly. So see you in the next one.